Hello guys, it's Kelvin here. So I'm just going to show you guys something very simple. It's actually like a major scale rundown, right? It's at least starting from here to end it down here, right? So it's actually something that's actually going to um, help your dexterity if you actually use it as an exercise, and also help you improve your hammer on and pull off just in case, right? So just try it out. Let me just play it very slowly, then I call out the notes, right? So I actually tune down my guitar half step down. So I'm using this as my root, right? So that's what I'm playing, right? So do, re, do, la, sol, la, do, re, mi. First part. Do, re, do, la, sol, la, do, re, mi. La, sol, mi, re, mi. Then the sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, right? You get it too. So that slide here, from here to here, is very important. You get it? You get it? So just try it out. You can actually use any one of them. So just try it out. I'm going to see you guys in my next session.